Okay, this stomach pain after sex now something we good number of women they experience. Some of them they confused about them because they don't know what thing to do or waiting for cause them. So let's talk about it. So infection are one. All right. So if woman according by better sabi people on top of body matters, if woman get some kind infection for them, maybe na UTI, yeah. If urinary tract on the infected, if she gets UTI, if you also make sex, if you make pain, tummy the pain immediately after she gets sexual intercourse, and then if she feel and it be like saying a urinary tract infection, the thing what she need to do now just to run test, and they go know the urinary tract infection where it gets, and they go give her treatment. After where you do the treatment finish, she go do wetin, she go back go test again, know whether the thing still dey there or not. Once it don't come off for there, and then she will be good to go. Okay, that's now waiting them also talk with that. Another reason why they talk say woman fit dey experience that stomach pain after sex. Now the kind of position where you use, sometimes some kind sex positions then they cause pain for us. You understand? Because some sexual position they allow for deeper penetration. That one will be say they allow make your man penis go very, 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 very deep, whether during anal sex or during vaginal sex. Sometimes it dey cause pain. So if you notice say those ones where they allow for your man to go deep inside of you, they cause you pain, then you go need to avoid those ones the way they allow for your man to get that very deep thrusting, and any other position where or you do the or anyone where if you do on your side too. You understand? Go help. Position where you say you get control over the depth of the penetration go help you. Most times when you dey on top, for instance, when you are riding your man's penis, for instance, you dey in charge of the way where the penis go take the thrust in and out of you. You dey in charge of the level of penetration, how deep the man penis they go inside of you and out of you. So that way you feel control them. So if you do more of that one too, it go help to reduce pain where you dey feel for your stomach after sex. Okay, so another thing too if you also cause them now, women with their uterus shifts. All right, now uterus way shifts go backward for you get this thing where for carry common we get cervix like this. So I go show so women, if I do diagram for them now, say show me, say this is your cervix now. If you don't know, so I tell them make they label their anatomy now. Some of them no go know which one be cervix. It is well. But anyways, when the uterus shift go backwards, like it lean backwards for the cervix instead of making the tip forward. Okay, that now when we say woman gets uterus way tilt. Okay, and one inside 4 women according by research get tilted uterus. Okay, and no be say where you get this one saying a problem according by gynecologist them, but the thing we did there we say sometimes if you make sex painful. Okay, and if you make certain positions more painful if you get tilted uterus. Okay, now how you go take you know whether you get tilted uterus? Gynecologist go be the bestest person to fit tell you whether your uterus stay tilted or not. So you go try to experiment with different positions and angles way go fit help you find the one way no go pain you. So you try this one, you try that one, leg up, that this one leg, you try orishi, then you go find out the one way no they hurt you after sex, and you go do all right. Okay, now another thing too, if you make sex painful, if you make woman experience stomach pain after sex, now do what they call ovarian cysts. Some of them go down here it be like ovarian cysts, not just pockets where fluid day inside, just the best way of people now, pockets where fluid full inside them, it can't go pack around our ovaries. Okay, now it dey develop inside or on the surface of your ovaries. Okay, Some when e dey first start, sometimes e dey painless, but if e don dey big, e go come begin dey cause abdominal pain. Kai, I don experience somebody wey get this thing that time, but e don comot now. E was not funny. Ah, e no funny o. Ovarian cyst, the pain na die. I go dey pity am when the thing start for here. E no dey even let am wear, e no dey fit wear cloth, e no dey fit do anything. She go just dey cry. Very painful something. Kai. You know when somebody go dey in pain, you no get wetin you fit do to ease that person pain. It can be painful when you no get remedy. You no fit, your sorry no dey stop the something. You're tapping them for back or patting them, sorry, trying to pamper them or pressing them cold water or doing them this one. You know how you go feel when you dey put in all those effort to ease the pain and the thing no dey do anything. Well, I don't know about all you, but for me, it dey break my heart when I see people in pain and no fits. My hands are tied, kind of, to fit help you out of that pain. It hurts. So that was how I felt that period. Watching her go through that pain, it was hell. Cry, go cry. So, when the larger the cyst, the more way go cause abdominal pain, lower abdominal pain, down the belly, it go dey cause. And if you even make the pain feel also dey worse during sex or after sex. Okay, if you also notice, pain for your thighs, or you notice pain for your lower back. If you also notice, say you go dey feel like your belly dey full every time, heaviness for your abdomen, or full, or you go dey feel like say you dey bloated, like constipation, dey worry your belly go just big, like person wey drink one drum of water. All right, and that one they say also fit cause in waiting pain and make woman experience pain after sex. Fibroid another thing too. Okay, wey be say, of course, they develop inside the uterus or on the uterus. Okay, and that now one of the things that if you make your belly pain you after sex. Okay, some other symptoms now, you go get heavy and very painful period, constipation and all of that, lower back pain, abdominal pain. Okay, so they say fibroid also will fit cause woman to experience pain after sex for her belly. Now, if you also get sexually transmitted infections or disease, STD, okay, if you like those ones, some of them will not even give you symptoms, say then they your body, but then they there. So depending on the type of symptoms where you they get, or the type of STD where you get, you fit also experience stomach pain after sex sake of that STD where you get. Okay, if you don't notice that kind vaginal discharge, we know usual. So we get our usual vaginal discharge, especially after our monthly cycle don't finish, even before our monthly cycle. That one we they call cervical mucus, where they draw like this, where they transparent like water color. And say the drawness depend on how you take the ovulate and all of that. So I don't explain cervical mucus before, how they draw, waiting you need to watch out for when they draw days where you go draw pass and all of that. I don't explain that one for you before. So, but if you notice unusual vaginal discharge, check out with your doctor. If you be say you don't carry STD, you get, or your vagina can begin this smell, you get some kind discharge where they get. Some of them go be like Gary, some of them go yellow one kind, some of them go begin to smell like that rat we don't die. Or when you dey piss, it be like where fire they burn. Your urine they burn you. As you dey piss, it's in it they burn. Like the whole of your vagina, it be like say they set them ablaze. Okay, maybe during when you dey urinate too, or after too, you feel that thing too. You also follow for some of the symptoms. Okay, or you bleed during sex or after sex. if you also check that one too. Okay, that now for some of the symptoms for people who get STD, whether them know or not. So another thing too, if it also cause stomach pain for woman, after sex, just had sex finish and your belly begin the pain you. If it be vaginal dryness, you understand? Some birth control pills they make woman vagina dry. Yeah, yes. Some birth control pill fit cause vaginal dryness. Okay, say when your estrogen dey high, it dey help with, when you get higher dose of estrogen, it go help you with lubrication, vaginal lubrication. But when your estrogen level don't drop, it also go affect the way your vagina dey juicy or not. Okay. So vaginal dryness too dey show face for women wey don reach menopause, don enter menopause. It dey also show that's why we don't treat how to make sex more pleasurable, during menopause or after menopause. You understand? So vaginal dryness will also make you experience stomach pain after sex. Now that thing too, if you also cause stomach pain after sex, maybe you will do period sex. Some people like to have sex when they're on their period. So if you're on your period and you had sex, if it's give you that pain for your stomach, okay, menstrual cramps they in your own, and sex sometimes they stop menstrual cramps for some people. But afterwards, when you don't finish, the symptoms feel return. Now, if he return, it go return as a result of say he don't go contract urinary muscles them, and pressure don't dey or the cervix during sex. So that's the reason why the symptoms feel come back after sex. Okay. So they say if you just take painkillers, but be careful how you abuse painkiller. Okay. Be careful. Or if you just kukuma avoid sexual intercourse if you get cramps, or until your cramps don't come down. You understand? Then if you get your sex and enjoy it. Now, pain after sex will also be as a result of anxiety. Maybe your emotions no dey one place, they scattered, they suffer emotional distress. Okay. If you also make you experience pain for your stomach after sex. Okay. Sexual trauma too, maybe rape and all of that, you also cause that feeling of pain for your stomach after sex. So you need to address these feelings then. Okay. You need to address them. A mental health professional will also guide you. Okay. Another reason where you fit the experience pain after stomach pain after sex. Now maybe constipation they worry you. Okay, if we say if constipation they worry you, if it also make you feel pain for your stomach after sex. Okay, and then if you dey there and they feel pain after your after sexual intercourse, if you also be say your pelvic floor no dey as caged as before. All right. If the pelvic floor and the ligaments don't stretch and no fit support the uterus, okay, if it cause the uterus to move inside the vaginal canal. So during sex, the penis fit come in contact with the uterus, will come make your belly dey pain you for two reasons. First, if it be because the uterus don't go cramp due to the contact, or second, the sexual intercourse don't go move the uterus, go up and down, which also will cause pain after sex. Okay. So if you do Kegel exercise to help make sure say your pelvic floor muscles them they all right. Now when pelvic floor muscles of a woman they all right, they go say now they make her vagina dey tight. Mm. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Go help tighten the vaginal muscles them. The pelvic floor muscles them. So it go help keep them in check. Okay. Some women go need surgery to reposition the pelvic organ back inside the correct location. Okay. So anytime when you have pain for your stomach after sex, you see a gynecologist, it is very, very important. Go check with the gynecologist, make him examine you. You understand? Make it look you well because stomach pain every time or almost every time after sex, it no make sense. Or you bleed after sex and you know say you know they on your period, my dear, or some kind discharge where they smell, foul smell will come out of your vagina after sex, sometimes 2 days after sex, sometimes immediately there for right there, or a day after sex, you dey get some kind vaginal discharge with the smell. You make you check them, or you the pain they come with fever, the pain they come with vomiting, the pain they come with cold and all. Check them again. All right. If the pain persists more than 1 or 2 days after intercourse and you still know they relieved, after maybe you don't try to take some first aid, please, you would never be wrong if you see your doctor. You no go ever dey wrong if you visit the doctor to one check wetin dey happen. You no go ever dey wrong. All right, so now the one where I see make I tell you with that.
Chook mouth. Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.